Hello everyone, this video introduces the Polyline to Raster function in the vector conversion tool. This function is used to convert any feature class containing polyline features into a raster dataset. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Polyline to Raster tool. Double-click to open the function window. Specify the feature set to be converted into a raster. The value field is the field used to assign values to the output raster. It can be any numeric field from the attribute table of the input feature dataset. The cell assignment type is optional and determines the method for assigning values to cells when multiple features fall within a cell. The software provides two methods, maximum length and maximum combined length. Here, the default method, maximum length, is selected. The feature with the maximum length overlapping the cell determines the value assigned to the cell. The priority field is used to determine which feature should take precedence over others in the cell. When used, regardless of the cell assignment type chosen, the feature with the highest positive priority value is selected for conversion. The cell size represents the cell size of the output raster being created. The noData value is used to specify the value for invalid areas in the raster. Finally, set the storage path and name for the output raster. If you check the Add Result to Project option, a layer for the result data will be automatically created and added to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. Open the raster window to display the converted raster file. Use the Pick Point tool to view the attribute information. That's all for the introduction to the Polyline to Raster function. Thank you for watching.